Well, I think this is, in my view, absolutely correct. We will see now headline inflation coming down quickly because of energy prices are coming down. We have these base effects. But core inflation is not coming down as quickly as that. So it will be much more difficult to bring inflation from 4% to 2%. So the commitment of central banks to go back to price stability will be absolutely essential. We will see whether this comes with a recession or not with a recession. This is difficult to predict.
Does it matter for central banks, though, that if you do have to keep going and keeping rates restrictive in order to get inflation from 4% to 2%, that it might tip an economy into recession? Do you think about that trade-off?
Well, the absolute priority should be bringing inflation back into the range of price stability. So this is absolutely key for the credibility to fulfill the mandate. Hopefully it comes with only a little bit limited impact on the real economy, but this is very difficult to predict. Of course, when we will see a weakening of the economy, under normal circumstances, that should help to bring inflation down. But we should not underestimate already the second-round effects that are underway. And there, what we see everywhere, also in Switzerland, there's a little bit of change in the way firms are dealing with price increases. So they do not hesitate anymore to increase their sales prices. So that is different from maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And that is also, I think, a signal that it is not that easy then to bring inflation really back to 2%. We also see a change in probably the behavior regarding wages. And we often speak about inflation expectations. Everything is well anchored, so it's not a problem. But if you look at wage formation, so this is very much backward looking. Even at the Swiss National Bank, where we have all the economists, and wage formation is basically we take inflation from last year, and this is the basis for making a decision regarding future salaries. And we are no exception. I think this is everywhere the case. So, kind of fairness argument regarding salaries. So once inflation is high, the pressure coming from wages is here, and this is probably also the proof that it will be not that easy really to bring everywhere inflation down quickly.
Very clear.